What are you doing, Bailey? Bailey. Rebel.
Rebel boy, where am I? Rebel.
I'm Sasha and Oreo. Rebel, come here. He's got a potty.
Little shit.
Here they come. Aww. He's pulling your head up, Mike.
I know.
He's trying to get you to lift your head up, and you did. Like something was wrong.
Don't bite my cheek. No. You're going to start listening.
He's trying to bite your nose. And you turn your head.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? What are you doing?
I said I went to see Bub. I went to see Dad. Are you talking to Dad?
What?
Yeah.
What?
Says he's not talking to me. You make noises like that. He's looking at you. Mike, you did that rough and he's looked at you like, bark at him. Mike, you don't know. You got him going, Mike.
I hear it. No, no. Akita, no.